Hi, my name is Lakshay. Welcome back to Coding Casually, and today's topic is, do you still need to learn VBA in the year 2022? Most of the people have asked me that, is it really worth that you should learn VBA and not any other programming language? And my answer is that if you work on an Excel sheet or an Excel workbook, and if you have any data ranging from 100 to 200 rows, you should learn VBA. And there are many points behind it. The first one is that if you would learn VBA, you would get the advancement, or you would get the advantage to do customization in your workbook or in your worksheets. You can do the data processing without any issues, because you would see the VBA would always work for you if anything is monotonous in nature, if anything works in a SOP in nature. So if there are 4 files that needs to be conducted or basically consolidated into one, few of the rows have to be removed, and then there is something that end user has to do. This can all be done with VBA. You can scrape the web with VBA. You can do many data processing job if this has to do anything when it comes to Excel in your job profile. Plus it connects to other platforms as well. It connects to mainframe, and it connects to the whole Microsoft environment if you want to do. So VBA is the first step if you want to get into coding. And even though if you don't want to get into coding but still learn the concept behind it, VBA can help you drastically. It can ease your work, there is no doubt about it, and I've been using it since good years. And let me tell you that anything that has helped me in the past is VBA only, because there are multiple automations that I've done in the past, and there are many people who still rely on VBA as the first thought process when it comes to automations in operations. So if you are in operations and you think that is there anything that can help or boost your career, VBA can actually help you still in 2022, and you should not put your eyes behind it and go for a different language. Of course, if you are in tech industry and if the job profile demands Java and Python, that is still fine. But if you are in operations, there are multiple Excels that you work with, there is a PowerPoint file that you always work with, there are reports that you want to send out. VBA in 2022 will still help you big time. If you have any doubt, and if you want me to create a simple course on VBA, you can just ping me, or you can just send me a comment. I will make sure that I will go through the vital points that you need to go. You need to basically read for VBA, and I'm telling you that it will give you a good boost in your career. So don't forget VBAs. Even though if it's 2023, I'm telling you nobody is moving away from Excel. So learn VBA for sure, and then hop on to different languages if you belong to non-tech job profile or you're a part of operations. And if you have Excel around you, VBA is one of the boon that has been given to you by Microsoft. Please learn it. Please share the video if you think that this will help anybody in the job or conducting his day-to-day BAUs. And please share, and please like the channel. Thank you.